this quick video, we'll show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube. If you've saved a video to your Watch Later playlist or another playlist but aren't sure how to locate it, just follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your iOS or Android device, and make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Next, tap the U option at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to a page where you can view your watch history, playlists, and a few more options. To find your saved videos, open the playlist section by tapping the View All option. The app will then show you all the playlists you've created with your YouTube account. Simply find and open the playlist where you saved the video. For example, I've saved my videos to the Watch Later playlist, so I'll open that one. As you can see, here are my saved videos, which I've set aside to watch when I have some free time. And that's all there is to it. If you'd like more YouTube tutorial videos, be sure to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist linked in the description of this video. See you soon!